Hey guys, so you know I'm on a new healthy lifestyle, so I bought this. This is seaweed, sea moss, and we are gonna make our own sea moss drink, what we can mix with our smoothies. So over here I have had 1 packet of the sea moss soaking overnight with some limes, yeah, to take out the rawness. And look at that, guys, it really does puff right back up. And this is the seaweed, okay, and we are going to blend this up. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you can see that that 1 small pack comes out to so much. And there you have it, guys, seaweed natural. So let's make the drink. So guys, I'm not even gonna pretend I made a mistake. When I soaked this last night, I forgot to boil the water. So I put everything back into a pot after I blended it. I brought it to the boil and look, it still came out fine. This is the consistency that I want. If you want it thicker, you can put less water. It's still warm, so we're gonna let this cool down and then we're gonna bottle it. And there you have it, guys, Irish moss. Cooled down and it even got thicker. So we're gonna put a little bit more water. Look guys, my sea moss. I am so proud to be able to do this myself. And you know, you just use this to make smoothies with your frozen fruit, with your veggies, guys. Also, the way this gets thick, you could put it on your face, have it as a pure seaweed face mask. Yes guys, look at that. I am so proud of that. Yeah, so proud of this. Yeah. Sea moss, guys. Hi guys, so I had to come back and show you this, the end result. So this was the pack of sea moss, £8. Seems expensive, but guys, out of that I made all of this. Yeah, this is half a litre bottle, this is a gallon, and look, I saved some of it back as a gel to use as a face mask, and I will keep this in the fridge. Healthy living, guys, try it. And here's my smoothie. Look at the body on that. So good. There's no ice in there because it was frozen fruit. There's strawberry, banana, blackberries, soya milk, and sea moss. It's really nice. You can feel the body on it. I'm so happy about doing this.